I am Karthikeyan. I am working as a Java developer in Spero Solution Private Limited. My topic is hybrid algorithm for antivirus scanning. Here we are using some algorithm to improve the efficiency of the antivirus software system. In existing, first of all, I have to say function of antivirus system. In function of antivirus systems, maintaining some data directory. Data directory is nothing but virus signatures available in a set of all possible virus names. The virus names are available in data directory. Suppose a new virus arrive means the virus name will be matched into our data directory. Suppose the match is found means if we conclude that there is a virus, so we have to move the file into some quarantine. Suppose not match means so we conclude that this is a normal file, we have to nothing doing. Okay. Suppose we are updating antivirus software daily. Because of every day some hacker developed the virus program, so we have to update our antivirus daily. In this reason, the data directory will be increased. Size of the data directory will be increased. So matching efficiency of algorithm is deficiency very low. So we have to find a new approach to increase the efficiency of our algorithm. So we have proposed two algorithm, backward caching and AC algorithm, Agokurasic algorithm. Here we are divide the patterns. Virus names are divided into patterns. Each patterns contain long pattern or short pattern. Suppose we also partition our data directory, long pattern, short pattern. Suppose we conclude that this is short pattern means this short pattern will be responsible for AC algorithm. AC algorithm process the pattern and move to the data directory. Data directory contains a short patterns. We can match the patterns. Suppose virus is match means we conclude that this is a virus name. We have to move that file into quarantine. Suppose a long pattern array means the pattern will be moved to the data directory long pattern. The matching the virus process is done. Suppose we conclude that this is a virus file means the file will be moved to the quarantine. This is our architecture diagram of this project. This is our antivirus software. This is run on our server. This is the one client side program. This client sends us data to the server side. The server antivirus software running on the server side. So we have to virus pattern. This is a virus file. The virus will split it into two parts, splitting the pattern. Suppose here we are using matching algorithm, hybrid algorithm or backward caching algorithm and AC algorithm. The AC algorithm responsible for short pattern and long pattern responsible for backward caching algorithm. Here virus signature. Here we are going to update our antivirus software. So all possible virus names are maintained here. Okay. So here we have to conclude that our antivirus software become very efficiently rather than other existing system. Thank you.